Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go, let's go. Let me do a quick audio check. Make sure everything's good. We're a little early, but that's all right. We don't mind being a little early to the game. Stream will end earlier today, so that's the reason why we're going to go ahead and start it a little sooner. What time frame? Oh, I'm on the 5 minute. No wonder. Interesting little spot here. Kind of thinking that we might run through into that 70 possible. Thought about taking a long here. Nah, we'll hold off. I think it works up into the 72s. Decent risk to reward here, like a little 1 to 1.5 if you wanted to partake. If you wanted to partake there. It's trying. Feel like the ES might want to push back up to the 257s today. Test that area. There we go. I wanted to take it, but just, I don't know, chickened out. Chickened out. Got some news this morning, 8:30. So we'll probably take a little news play at 8:30. Probably just like a fading news play, nothing crazy. Mm-hmm. Kind of wanted to take that into the 72s, but we'll look to the left. We kind of have the London high there. The Asia high is up at the 578. So kind of look like that's where we're headed to. We're pretty much back at the opening price from yesterday. I was going to go ahead and mark out the midnight open. I don't normally mark that out, but hey, let's go. George Arai, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Let's go. We got 8:30 news this morning. We'll take a peek at it right quick. We got the, I think it's GDP. Is that what it is? If I remember correctly. Core PCE. Never mind. Core PCE. 8:30 a.m. And then 9:45 Chicago PMI. Dallas Fed PCE at 9. 10:30 Atlanta Fed GDP. So, and then some oil news at 1. Pretty much it. I'm going to full send some 25Ks, Bassett. I don't know. Do we? Anybody know if we normally have big volatility for the CPE? I'm not sure. I can't remember, right? So I don't really know. But, yeah, I was going to full send some 25Ks. I did pick up some 250s. I picked up maybe like 4 more 250s to send, but I was thinking about doing those next Friday for the non-farm payroll at 8:30. But still not 100% sure about that. Just trying to pick a spot to where we would have, pretty good movement. I do have a few 50Ks. I'm thinking about sending those at the open today. And I'm just probably going to fade those, 3 one way, 3 the other. Just try to get a pass that way. So this is an interesting spot here. This is pre-market, so I don't typically like trading pre-market. We do have a lot of trend line liquidity here. So if we could inverse this on the way back down, it would be an interesting spot back to the VWAP, but probably should just avoid it. Tom's no longer king of the after hours, Zabak. Tom's over there sleeping. He's over there sleeping. Getting a little night in. Did Tom stream the London? I don't even know. If you guys didn't notice, Apex did extend their sale through like June 4th or something like that. Sue Trades, good morning. They extended the 90% off sale as I predicted they would, right? Because of all the backlash. You would expect them to extend the sale there. NQ still looking weak. I agree, Bassett. But like when we look at the higher time frame, right? Let's look at the 4 hour. I already looked at it this morning, kind of derived what I thought might happen today. I mean, it looks like we need to reprice. So we're in this imbalance here. We're kind of at maybe the mean threshold of it here, about the midway point. We probably need to rebalance back up into this gap here on the 1 hour. That's the way I feel anyway. So we're so close to it, and that's kind of what we're doing already, kind of pushing back up. You got this down close wick here. So I think this is a good short opportunity. So I think we reprice into this gap. And then 620s maybe turn us back down. And next target down below on the 4 hours, relative equal lows down at 393. So I think later today, that's probably where we end up. But that would be the logical thing, right? The logical thing, if you look at it, would be something like that. But is the market logical? It is not. 'Tis not logical. So that means, we very well could get this today and just end back up at the 800s. So obviously, if we inverse this 1 hour, if we close above this 1 hour, we're headed to the 730 wick, maybe even the 790 wick up here. So, the 1 hour is going to tell us the story today, in my opinion. It will tell us the story. If we can close above the 1 hour, then we're going up. If we push up into this area and then we turn back down 620, 630s, then obviously we're probably going to be going down. So I do expect a retest of this imbalance, though. That's my anticipation. Whether it comes with the news, whether it comes at open, I don't know. But that's kind of the way I'm leaning. I'm thinking we're pushing into that 600 area, and then we kind of go from there. Tom's knocked out. Get him up over there. Got to get him up. Going to be a shorter stream today, guys. Probably going to stream till about 11 a.m. Eastern. That's why I started a little early. Georgia baseball super regional is today at 1 p.m. So going to end the stream around 11. Get ready. Head out to the Georgia baseball super regional. Grab some lunch, stuff like that before we get there. Game 1, Georgia versus Navy, and then game 2 is Georgia Tech versus like UNC Wilmington or something like that. Let me see who it is. Not that you guys care, but I'd like to know. Let's see. I swear I had a thing yesterday that showed me who the game was. I don't even know who it is. It's sad when you don't even know who the other team is that's playing. I know it's Georgia Tech. versus someone. They play at 7:30. I'm going to be going to both games. Obviously, we're rooting for Georgia. But UNC Wilmington, so I was right. That's interesting. What up, Stoic? Anna, good morning. Black Beauty in the house. Yeah. Anyways, so I was just looking at my tickets there. But yeah, it should be a good time. What's up, Fred? If you're just now joining us, we're going to make an 8:30 news play. We're going to send 3 evals north, 3 evals south. Same thing we tried to do yesterday when Rhythmic messed up. And we'll see how that works out. I think we take out the 78s, which is that's the Asia high up there. London high 72s. So really not going to be opening up with any kind of a gap in the chart today. It looks like we are closing. I mean, maybe a small, gap to the upside, if anything, but not much. Pretty much opening where we closed yesterday, at least at this point. That's kind of opening price yesterday. So we have the little bit of news right there at 8:30, 3-star news. We'll see what happens there. Anna, what we get? Oh, Trades by Matt got denied, technical trader. Fred, good morning. I don't know if I told Fred good morning. Yeah, DCA. So basically, they denied his payout, but they don't take your money from you or anything like that. You just have to trade 10 more days and re-request again. So, Dr. J, I'm going to be sending 25K evals, so it'll be 4 contracts, 76 ticks on the 25Ks for Apex. Just going to send 3 north, 3 south. That's kind of what I'm thinking, because I don't even know how much volatility we'll get here. If it was a volatility play where I thought we were going to get a 100-point move, we might still. But if it was a play where I thought we were going to get a 100-point move, I would not hedge. I would just park one above, park one below. So, yeah, some people blow their accounts for sure. Some people will for sure. It might even be me. But to be fair, these are the accounts that I full sent yesterday. And then they gave them back to me, which 2 of them should have been passed. Dollar cost average, Kirk. It's where you add to your position when it's in the red. That's all it is. Do I think 15.60 tick targets are good for a 50K or 250K? Yeah, I mean, I think that's fine, Dr. J. You can use it on either one. I got 4 more 250Ks. I'm going to wait until next Friday to full send those for non-farm payroll. So I'm just going to sit on those until next Friday. We have non-farm payroll next Friday, 8:30 a.m. I think that's likely to move the market more than today's news, but I could be wrong. So, but 15.60 ticks, that almost passes the 50K. What do we need on the 50K? You need 62 ticks with 10 contracts to pass. So, yeah, and that's the thing. It's like, man, is it going to do it again today? I don't know. Yes, technical trader, you're exactly right. You can DCA once, so you can add to your position one time. It has to be the same size or less. So let's say you took 5 micros in your first position, then you can add 5 micros or less while the price is in the red once. Yeah, Dr. J, 62 ticks, 10 contracts gets it passed. Yeah, Fred, it's always risky. You could blow both. Apex rhythmic issues giving me DCA automatically. You're not wrong, Trader J. It was doing that to me yesterday. I was in and out of orders left and right. So you never lost a trade you didn't take. Let's go. Reading their compliance section, they mentioned the ad could be much larger. No, it can't be larger, Fred. Has to be same size or less. So we'll see what happens. Tom blew a funded account. Tom blew a funded account today, earlier. He said, don't tell anybody. Yeah, Dr. J, makes sense. Tom blew a funded account already today. Watch this. I'm going to troll him here. I'm going to say, how? Trading only micros? For Bewley 25K, it is 100 ticks to pass. Frank, it is different for Bewley because of the let me do the math for you. Because you can only do 3 contracts, 3 minis. So 25 times 4, yeah, so 101 ticks. You want to add that extra tick, Frank, to cover commissions. The cover commissions. Yeah, I'm on early, Isaiah, because we're going to be ending the stream early today because I got to go to the baseball game. Georgia baseball, let's go. You're helping Tom out with your new trading method that uses the negative space in the flower of life. Let's go, Terrence. You the man. We need all the help we can get, Tom and me, right? All right, hold on one second, guys. I'm going to pop away from the computer for 1 second. I'll be right back. Got to make a quick change right quick. A quick change. I'll be right back. All right, that's better. Got to get our hat ready. We haven't worn a baseball hat in like a year, so we got to get it ready here. We got to get comfortable with it on. Baseball yawn. Well, I like baseball, basketball, football, tennis, hockey, soccer. We like it all. But today is a baseball day. It's nothing better than college baseball, though. Nothing better than college baseball. A lot of fun. Stadiums are small. Not a bad seat in the house. You know, good atmosphere. I like it. There are no restrictions or guidelines on the contract size of the additional entry, reasons, levels, or tools used for determining entry point time frames. Baseball sucks. I don't know, Kirk. I like baseball. It's a lot of fun. To each his own, though. Baseball's not your cup of tea. That's all right. You can pretend it's a football hat. I don't know. Fred, I watched the video, and I watched the video specifically outlining the rules. And in that video, they say that your second entry, your DCA entry, has to be the same size or smaller as your first entry. So, I don't know. Do with it what you will. So, I've never been to the NFSU game. So we got about 10 minutes till news comes out. Yeah, no problem, Fred. It is a little confusing, right? How they do it. Nothing's straightforward until it goes against you, right? Then they'll say, "Oh, it's as straightforward as it can be." Good morning, Dennis. So the rules are clear. Yeah, that's another place that you could get it. I mean, Trades by Matt, same thing. He did the same thing. Just do it once if you're going to do it only. That's it. Nice V-shaped recovery right there off the 485s. I was thinking about taking the long off the open here, trying to run into the 78s, but not doing it. Above 72s, we probably blast off into the 78s there, 6 more points, but we'll see. Again, we're going to do a news play here at 8:30. We're going to full send 3 evals one way, 3 evals the other. It's not going to be anything too crazy, just going to fade each other. Technical trader, no, he's not going to leave Apex. He has $250,000 in profit sitting there waiting to be withdrawn. Why would he leave? I think that like the Apex denials and everything, we're not going to get too deep into it here, but you know, could they have handled things differently? Certainly. Could they have done it a better job at it? Certainly. You know, they could have done certainly a better job at it. But at the end of the day, we know the rules now. Let's just follow the rules and get our payouts. That's it. So 8 of 10, as you read, and flip 2 for 10, assuming on the 5th is able to request payout. Yes. Today is 8 of 10. Isaiah, you can request payouts starting tomorrow. So today is 8 of 10. So yeah, I guess you could request a payout Wednesday. Wait. When is the 5th? Is 5th Wednesday? I think it is. Okay, yeah. So yeah, you can request a payout after close on Tuesday. After close on Tuesday, Isaiah. You can trade, just don't let it go below the threshold. That's all. Leonard, good morning. Carlina, good morning. No bash Apex rule. No, Kirk. I mean, like, is there a no bash Apex rule? I don't know. So, yeah. I think you can request it after close on Tuesday. Yeah, RPG, we're just going to full send it at news. Long 3, short 3. Well, I'm not bashing them. Could they have done a better job? Yes. I think they probably tell you that too. I think it's a case-by-case basis, Isaiah, so it's hard to know. I think that they would tell you that they could have done a better job. Or maybe they wouldn't tell you that. I don't know. Steve, we don't really know. We don't really know the expected move. We have no idea. Do we expect to get 30 points? Probably. 30 points direct? I don't know. So, all you worry about is the consequence of not worrying. Yeah, I'm just saying, like, if you follow the rules, you'll be fine. Let's move on. It sucks for people like, I talked about it yesterday in length. You know, it sucks for people who are expecting the payout to maybe, you know, either pay bills, buy more accounts, fund more accounts. I mean, whatever the reason, you're expecting money, you expect to get it, right? So that's the only thing. I think that maybe there should have been a hard line date, like, okay, beyond May 1st, April 20th, whatever the date may be, we're going to, if you DCA or anything after those dates, then you're going to be penalized and you won't get the payout. Like, to me, put in a hard line date. They didn't do that. They actually backdated it. So they punished people who didn't even, we don't want to get too deep, but, you know, the people who maybe broke the rule before they even knew that they were going to be, before they knew they were going to be enforcing the rule. That's all. Dun, 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 dun. You can always handle things better. Like, nobody's perfect. I mean, let's just think about it. Nobody's perfect. We got rules we don't like, no matter who the prop firm is, and we just have to deal with it. It's what it is. We'll move on. They're going to get me? Nah. Which rule is it? Isaiah, I think the main rule they're talking about was like the DCA, dollar cost average. I mean, they did have a lot of fraud going on, right? A lot of stuff that maybe behind the scenes we didn't know about. So that is kind of wild. Me listening to the thing about the whole people letting other people copy trade their accounts. Like, I thought that was crazy. I don't know if you guys saw that, where the people were using Replicanto to copy trade. They were like basically selling the ability to copy trade their trades. That's crazy. So, yeah, I could do that too, Aaron. Could do that too. All right, we got 3 minutes here until the news. Should we just get long now and short as well? May as well, right? We got 3 minutes until the news. I don't like to usually get in before that soon before, but maybe we do. I would think so, Fred. That would seem to make sense. Tend to agree. Technical tend to agree there. But what can we do, right? Luckily, I didn't. Well, I don't want to say luckily. I wish that I would have had a payout request last month, but I did not. I didn't have a payout request, so it didn't affect me. Time is up. Yeah, I know. I'm watching them over here, giving them a hard time. All right, just went ahead and entered now. Could be a bad move, but we'll see what happens. We got 3 long and 3 short. A little bit of a discrepancy, about 1 point difference in the entries. So, copy trading here, 3 long, 3 short. Went ahead and did it now. 2 reasons. Number 1, I don't want rhythmic issues at the news to cause me a problem with my entry. And that's mainly the reason. So I'm going to enter now. We'll see. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, that's true technical. I mean, like, I'm still using them, like I said. So we'll go with that. We'll see what happens. All right, we got about 1 minute here till the news. I mean, I think a strong push into the 600 kind of makes sense. But we might get a manipulation leg lower back into the 50s. I mean, like, you could look for either thing, right? So I'm going to go ahead and go out on a limb here and tell you guys, I don't like the way Quantower's new update. I don't like some of these things the update did. I don't like it. They have to make their money. All right, well, there we go, getting a little sell-off here. Is it going to be just a little drop before we pop? Let's see. Probably going to be a dip and rip here. Let's see what we get. That's pretty mild. This might blow in both directions. Got to get through the 96s. All right, there we go. All right, let me make sure that everything's closed, and it's not. What's going on here? You guys seeing this? You got to be freaking kidding me. Again? I mean, again? What are we doing? Come on, man. I mean, I don't understand this stuff. This is so stupid. Nothing is closing, guys. Again. Still has me in one position. Oh, now I'm in 4 positions. God. Oh, my goodness, man. This is the same stuff from yesterday. The exact same stuff. I mean, like, look at it. Close all. Close all. Close all. Enters new positions. I mean, even if I select it and close it, close position. See how I'd open a new one? Close position. I mean, why does it do this every single day? It's so annoying. And it's blown every account too, by the way. Good thing I have that on video just in case I don't want to fix it. Like, come on, man. What are we doing? Why is it every single day? Why every day? Yeah, I mean, I could close it in RTrader Pro, but they're blown at this point, so what difference does it make? You copy 5 accounts on other props. Yeah, I'm just trying to pass the Apex ones, and like, you clearly see that those 3 should have been passed. I mean, like, they should have been passed. We went right through there, and it entered me. This is the one I was in the long position on, and it entered me into shorts. This is the one I was in short positions on, and it blew those. So it's okay with blowing those, but it ain't okay with giving you the profit on the ones you're in the long positions on. And now it shows over here that I'm long on one and short. Now I'm long on this one. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Look at this thing. Just entering orders left and right. Oh, my goodness. Somehow we're up 44 ticks now. It's just comical at this point. Look at it now entering me into some weird positions again. It's just crazy to me that this is still a problem. I mean, how is it like this every single day? Oh, there finally it exited all the trades. Finally. Well, one more position. One more position it's still in. Oh, never mind. We got 4 more open positions. Four more open positions. Only goes up. Go hard. If we hit wins, we keep it. That's the problem. It looks like it's still got me in, I don't know, 4 positions here. You had wins yesterday from extra orders. Account balances says 0 now, so not sure what they're actually doing. I don't know. Yeah, that's me, Terrence. I give up at this point. What's up, Matt? Gunja, good morning. Try to flatten on the Apex website. Let me look. Apex, trade of funding. Where do we use flatten all at? Flatten accounts. Flatten. So I just hit flatten all. It's still there. Hey, well, there's someone away. Yeah, rhythmic issues again. What's going on, Hot Streak? What in the world? And now it just entered me into a position on an account that I didn't even take a trade on. What in the heck? I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens. That's all we can do. It is kind of comical to watch it happen, though. I promise you guys, you can see my mouse is right here. I'm not hitting anything. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, don't hit it more than once. I think I've hit it a few times, F, so you might be right there. I don't know, Naz. You know, some problems here. Kirk, we're still on the march. I haven't tried Buley yet. I'll give it a try in a moment. To the moon. We're going to the moon. Long 18,533. Let's go. I like it. Top 5. What in the... I mean, can I close my... I don't know. Can I disconnect? If I disconnect, will it continue placing orders? Does anybody know? Let me disconnect. I'm going to disconnect, and I'll log into RTrader Pro. See if I can flatten there. Let's see if we can do her. Let's see if we can do her. Now, guys, I know Apex will make it right as far as that goes. I'm not worried about that. It's just a bit annoying. That's all it is. Like when you actually got some orders passed, you got some accounts passed, and then you have to do it again. That's the frustrating part. That's all it is. Frustrating, right? It's frustrating. I played the news top 5, but don't know if I won. All right, how do we close positions here? Positions. All right, I'm going through canceling now. How do you close all positions on here? Anybody know? How do I close stuff? Dun, 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 dun. You have to go to each chart and close the individual positions. So like under positions, like this. So it looks like I just have one now, close. I don't know, it's still doing it. You're using Apex but TradeVid account? Yeah. I'm not quite sure how I close the positions there. How do I do that? I mean, was I doing it the right way there? You just click close? Yeah, I already did that design. I didn't do anything. It just shows pending. Now it says processed. See if it did anything. Let's see if it did anything. Did that work? Nope, still didn't work. All right. Well, we won't worry with it. We'll just put that away. Yeah, I'm not going to submit a ticket yet, Terrence. We'll see what happens. We'll see. I mean, I'm going to be sure that they're going to know about it, but we'll wait and see what they say. I don't think it makes any sense to submit a ticket until they say so. Good morning, Ebirth. Good morning. It's going to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. All right, losing a couple of the orders. All right, 72s on the ES now, kind of the line in the sand. Kind of the line in the sand there for the ES. So I went long how many? I went long just on 3. Yeah, it is tin can. Cart, we did take 3 long, 3 short at the news, and so connect to Tokyo Rhythmic. What is that? How do you do that? Yeah, I was kind of thinking like we push up here and then maybe we sell down today, but if we close above this gap on the 1 hour, which I don't know how much time we got left in the hourly here, about 15 minutes. So, yeah, that's what I'm sure, Daryl. Oh, there's Daryl. Is this the real Daryl? Can't be, right? Can't be. Change connection settings. Oh, I'll try that right quick. So what? There's one that says Tokyo. I have no idea. Nas. Apex Tokyo. I shall try right now. Do we stay on the Tokyo one if it actually works? Whoever's still holding longs are winning. I'm with you, top 5. What's up, JX? All right, we're connected to the Tokyo one. I didn't even know you can connect to that one. Let's go top 5. I like it. All right, it's loading my positions. 27 minis. Nascalp, you're 27 minis in. I keep getting this message pop up over here that just says refuse auto liquidation. I don't know. Can I drag that? I can't drag it for some reason to show you guys. All right. I'll connect it to that one that you guys were talking about. I'm only going to hit close all one time. So I'm connected to the you break rules, you trade Tokyo. Yeah, there's news at 8:30. Oh. Well, we're down to 1 position. Close? Nope, never mind. Make that 2. I don't know. At this point, I may just disconnect from Apex and just call it a day on that. Let them do their thing and just not worry about it. Okay, there we go. No positions. Let's see if it stays that way. You bring disgrace to the family. What are we talking about, design? Uh-oh, never mind. We're long again. Oh. Don't underestimate the Nasdaq. When she starts the dumper pump, she goes hard. That's right. So, oh. All right, Daryl, we appreciate it. Let's see. I was going to. There we go. I don't know if he's real or not, Gunja. I'm not sure. I have no idea who's real, who isn't. Looks official. All right, I disconnected. Yeah, I'm sure, Matt. I'm not going to submit a ticket or anything. We'll just wait. We shall just wait. I don't know, Mad Moxie. You remember when I said I had a headache one time? I was streaming and I was like, "Man, I have a headache." And then Excedrin pops in the chat and says, "You rang." Hey, man, anybody could be watching. You never know. Anybody could be watching. You never know. Excedrin was like, "We're here for you." All right. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let's take a look at the news today. Again, we got a little 3-star news at 9:45. So let's just do our little pre-market setup here, and we'll just go from there. Again, guys, I'll be into the stream early today. We're going to be heading out to the Georgia baseball game. Georgia's hosting the Super Regional today. So we'll be headed out to that game about 11 o'clock. Dallas Fed PCE, I don't expect that to do much. 53 minutes, we have the Chicago PMI. That should be a little bit of a market mover. Atlanta Fed GDP is probably not going to do much. And we got some oil news at 1. It's really it. Kind of a light Friday, really. Beyond that 9:45 news. Mancini said this morning that if we eclipse, let me pull my ES chart back up. If we eclipse 72, he would anticipate the bottom being in for the day. So we are above as long as we hold 72. We're currently at 70 on the ES. So we're kind of at a key level there. Let runner work all day. No greed on a Friday. Protect mental capital. 72.95.02. Going to mark these levels out. He did say if 18, no wait, what was it? 38 fails. Then we see 18 or something like that. 38 fails. All bonus now. Yeah, that's the problem. 21. $17. I'm having to remark out the levels again, so. All right. Let's go. Apex DCA, you're in one long per account at, say, 17.5, and it goes against me to 17.495. I'm allowed to use discretion on my one additional entry, and if I want to enter, you can enter the same size as you did originally, as is my understanding. Oh, Tin Can, none of your accounts were fixed this morning? Futures Trader sponsored by Excedrin. That's right. Trader J, I like it. Oh, wait, there's Excedrin. I'm here again if you need me. Somebody must have an account that watches me that has an Excedrin. Oh. Yeah. Seems to be fine, Isaiah. So. Well, yeah, Edward, that's what I use the levels for. I use the levels for that. I don't use them for trades. No, Eberth, I'm not in a short. No short for me. All right, we're coming up on 9 o'clock here. Feels a little weird to be here this early. Daryl's now in Tom's chat. Okay, I guess I'm finally out of my positions. Actually, one of the accounts says it's up $1,245. All right, just wanted to make sure we are out of the positions there. Looks like we are. Shahidul, good morning. Can you DCA on Bulenox? Yes, of course. Of course you can. Isaiah, I think that it's probably okay. Sammy, good morning. I'm not sure. I don't know how to answer that for you. I don't know. I'd be careful. Yeah, 1,300 profit and Rhythmic kept getting into orders in there. You're down 800 and all evals. Yeah, me too. Me too. Yeah. Oh, Tom, I wonder if Tom's account that he blew. Never mind. I don't guess if it matters. I was going to ask Tom if the account he blew was on Apex. I don't guess it matters. All right, let's take a look at the higher time frame here like we did earlier. I mean, we kind of called this out earlier. We said we expect a push. If you were here very early, I drew this out. I said expected us to reprice this imbalance on the 1 hour. If we close above here on the 1 hour, we're kind of about to close here on the 1 hour, 2 minutes. But if we close above here, you could pretty well expect us to maybe go to the 729s. There is a small imbalance here. But we'll see. Initial balance low from yesterday there at 684. So from here, you could kind of maybe expect a little bit more of a move up, but tough to say, right? Kind of tough to say. Yeah, we're glitching again, Win. That's all good. Just put it away for today. Yeah, I agree, Tech T. Just put it away. Good morning, Win. Just go with something else. Rhythmic's going to be upgraded over the weekend. Yeah, probably something that needs to happen. What's up, Jay? Just going to trade my funded futures today, and we'll be on Bulenox for now. And we'll just go with that. No big deal. And maybe we get back to Topstep X a little later if we got time. We'll see. We did kill it yesterday on Topstep X. I ended the stream. They should fix it for you, Win. I ended the stream basically back to break even. But yeah, we ended up being up like $1,500, $1,000, $1,500 across a bunch, 3 of them, I think. So this one was 1,000. That one was not. That one was 1,000, and then I think this one was 1,500. No, that one was also 1,000. That one was 1,500. So we're only like 300 away from passing that one. Maybe we can get that one done today. We'll see. So we end up getting the money back. I know we ended the stream at like $100 in profit. But we took a banger long yesterday. Real nice long off the from 700 to 729. About a 30-point long. So let's go, Jay. Appreciate you. I think they will. We'll see. They should take care of us. 5 combines, yes. I mean, Jay, my opinion, if we do start to sell, let's say we get back below the 600s, I think today we might see 390s. I got that marked out. Relative equal lows on the 4-hour at 390s, off by 3 ticks. So that could be the draw today. We'll see. Could be the draw. But as always, we trade what we see. We react and trade what we see. So that's what we're planning on doing today. Oh, trend line negative line in the 1 hour. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, seems like we're kind of like right at it, right? Kind of like 680. Oh. Oh. Whew. I'm a little sleepy today. Yeah, Apex did extend the sale, in case you guys were wondering. I think it's through June 4th. Yeah, well, we got initial balance low up there. It would be kind of the trend line test, 684s. And then maybe, that might be, that's yesterday's initial balance low. Opening price down here at 561. So we will probably be opening up with about a 100-point gap here. So maybe you want to come back down here. It's kind of where the VWAP's resting too. We'll look for an opportunity here and see what we get. Kind of be a little bit patient. There's no point in like going crazy. Yeah, Jay, you want to short. That's the thing though. Like this thing could just go to the moon. Like Design likes to say, market only goes up to the moon. You never know, right? So you just want to wait and see. I did adjust my opening range trade for today. It's going to place the order 4 seconds before open today instead of 1 second like it's been doing. Hopefully we have no issues with it today. So let's just see. We'll just wait and see what happens. Oh, let's see here. It is the last day of the month, guys. It's the 31st. So sometimes the last day on a Friday, you get that rocket ship. The rocket ship. Sometimes. Not always. Sometimes. How do I do my opening range trade? Break of the 829. Yeah. Slade, I just let the bot take it. So I just turned the bot on. So it'll take the trade at 9:29.56 and it'll flatten at 9:31. The 1 minute bar, 8 ticks above or below is where the orders will be. We'll look for 20 ticks, take a profit. 25 ticks on the first contract, 80 ticks on the second contract. Once we hit the first target, I move the stop to break even. As long as it's not just too fast. Just let the bot take it. Up 2,000 on the 250K. Let's go. Trendy, well, just take it slow. That's all you can do. $149, JX. Just take it slow, Trendy. No need to do anything crazy, or you can full send it on next Friday's non-farm payroll. That's what I'm going to do. That's the plan anyway. So, good morning. May we all make 5K today. You turned 40. Let's go. Nice job. Congratulations, Tennessee Rob. Happy birthday, Tennessee Rob. Drop some happy birthdays for Tennessee Rob in the chat. JX, that's right in line with the, no, it's not monthly. That's just one-time fee. Well, it's right in line with the industry standard. About $150 for a 50K account. You made 2K on one of them yesterday. Ended up blowing on the news this morning. Oh, that sucks. You only got 2,700. You guys can get it there. A little base hits. Guys, I mean, I can't show you because I'm not connected to my thing right now. But, yeah, my 250Ks, I'm babying those things. Like, I'm only up $300 after, like, 5 trading days on those. I'm only up like $300, but just taking my time, right? Finding the very best trades. I am copying across all 5 of those. So just finding the best trades. Taking my time. A-Ride, you can trade it with Apex on the evals, but not, you can trade the news on the evals, but not in the regular funded account. Not in the regular funded. You've got 250K accounts and 250Ks. My 250Ks are up 17K each. Let's go. Nice job, Slade. Nice job. That's the thing. Like, I was talking to my cousin Husk about it this morning. I was like, man, everybody in my chat's being super aggressive with those 250Ks. I was like, I almost want to be, right? I almost want to, like, up the aggression, but, like, then, you know, I don't know. I just don't want to blow them. So, I don't want to blow them. What in the heck is going on here? So for that reason, like I said, I'm just going to take my time. There's no need to do anything crazy. Whoever shorted there is getting paid. Getting paid. 30 points off the highs already. ES kind of double topped over there at the 72s. Your cousin Vinny. I love that movie. Nice job, Kirk. 3-star news, like red folder, A-Ride. It's kind of what they're talking about there. Yeah, I guess that's true, JX. Makes sense. You copy trade them at 3x multiplier. Yeah, I guess that's true, Slade. That does kind of make sense. I probably could do that, but I don't know. It's going to take it easy. Take it slow. Here's the thing. If you copy trade 5 of them, which is what I'm doing, then, like, if you get 5 to pay out, I mean, that's, 15 grand or something like that. So just take my time. What is Tom over here talking about? What is Thomas Sabo over here talking about? Let me go ahead and get a few people pulled up here. Support our local YouTube community by watching. You're short again with $500. Nice. Let's go. Tom Sabo, Trader J. He's always talking, never trailing, never trading. Good morning, Mario. 1.5K. Let's go, Bassett. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm going to try to be patient. I mean, we're only going to be trading the Buley and the My Funded Futures for now. Do I have anything else to trade? That's about it, really. Bassett, right now we have like maybe 10 passed. They're all active. The ones that are passed are active except for one, I think. And then I have 5 more 25Ks that are passed. And then so last night I bought 4 250s, 250s, and 6 25Ks. And the idea was to try to get maybe 3 of the 25Ks, 2 of the 250s, and 1 of the 50s passed for another 9 accounts. It'll put us at around 20, I think. So, but I'm not going to trade all those all at once. I'm not going to copy trade those. I'm not going to put pressure on myself. I'm going to pay lifetime fee on everything and just take my time. If they eat 70 too aggressive, yeah. Yeah, that's my thinking. Captain Price, end of the month, we may not retrace today. We could just go up. What do we get? Did you get a side of fries and a beer? Nah, I should have. So, Sue, I always have. I've diversified no matter what, whether there's issues or not. So, I mean, that's why I have Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Bulenox, Topstep. I mean, like I have everybody. I don't just zoom in on one prop firm. Hopefully they do upgrade the Rhythmic servers over the weekend and everything's fine, but we'll see. Yeah, Naz, we need to get you going live, man, so we can watch. Do I have set up dedicated screens for each? No, JX, I just flip back and forth. I mean, like I have each here. So I just flip back and forth. So there's the Buley that we'll be trading. And there's the My Funded Futures. Yeah, they don't have Tradeovate right now, Lizelle. Maybe eventually. What's going on, Timbo? Good morning. Yeah, I like Tom. I always watch Tom. He's a fun guy. You going to try to go live, Slade? All right, let us know. Jay said, never mind, we're going back up. What's up, Sultan? Market only goes up. Morning, Enlow. Morning. Here's the thing at open here. Let's just think about this logically, right? What does price like to do? Right? Whenever you have a news candle like this, granted, it's not like a huge candle, right? 60 points, 55, but we've already ran the high. So price typically likes to reprice this gap. So kind of at open, also you got the VWAP here, you got the open price from yesterday. So in my opinion, maybe we test the 80s at open, quick push up, and then a reprice back down to this gap. And this will be kind of your decision point. We'll see what happens in this area. If we don't hold that area, then 485 is on deck because there's not really much here holding us up. So that's kind of my thought at open here. We're already kind of above the level that I expected us to push up to on this push up, but news will do that sometimes. So we'll see. At open, maybe we push into initial balance. from yesterday, which is also that trend line, that hourly trend line there. Maybe we hold, sell back down. If we do not, if we hold this hourly as an inversion, which I don't even know if we closed above it, I'll have to check. The point is, if we hold above the hourly here, then just might just be one of those uptrend days where you just get long at open and you just ride the wave. Ride the wave. Only Trades, what's up? Doing good, doing good. Yeah, I see yes, AAA. I got you. If you just get yourself to stop entering randomly, stop adding losers. Hey, same thing with me, Naz. I try to enter randomly, but I have a problem holding my winners sometimes. We're going for a higher low. I mean, like, makes sense, right, Trendy? It could. So, kind of agree there, hold me. Just, you should get your payout. You're cursed with those 250s. Yeah, Fred, I felt that way too. I felt like 5 or 6 before I passed 5, so I was happy with that. I was happy to at least pass some. I got about 13 minutes here until open. Tom's live streaming me, is he? I don't even have, where's Tom at? I had him up. I don't know where he went. I had him up. Oh, there's the dumpage. Full port long at 550. Maybe. Hello, Tom. Reclaimer, good morning. Let's see if he sees that. Good morning, Evelyn. I had no choice. Had to give him the finger. Had to give him the finger. This is interesting. I don't love it pre-market, right? I think we test the 600 here. If we can close below this. Does Topstep charge the same price, $149? Yes, they do, Vera. I turned on the, I was listening to music. That's why I had turned Tom off there. Oh, goodness. So we're going to see what happens coming in the open. Again, we're going to be a patient-ish. Patient-ish. Hisham, good morning. You only fade rips? I don't know. I don't watch rips. I don't know. I hear people talk about him. Looks like you didn't miss much. No, you didn't. $9 a.m. highs. You held past 5 p.m. yesterday, but I closed everything at 1 p.m. That's crazy. Three trend line strike. Nice job, Captain. Oh, Hisham, who did you watch this morning? Tom? Oh, Rips. All right, let's see what happens. I don't know, man. Dodgy. What happened? What happened? Up or down, Donovan? I think we go. I mean, it's tough. It's tough. Yeah, it did be two room. Same thing. Yeah, just entering random trades, but I'm just put that away for the day. I'm not going to trade it. I think I got this line drawn out here at 625, 627. If we close below this, I expect a quick run into the 06s, down into this imbalance. If we hold this, then I think maybe we push back up to yesterday's initial balance low. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. That's all we can do. Amelia, good morning. Long road of blowing a combines. You got funded last night with Topstep. Now you're on your first express. Let's go. Yeah, 725 is interesting that you called that area out, Vera. That was kind of like a interesting area yesterday. My target up there yesterday on my long, yesterday afternoon after I ended stream was 734. And we get 729 and kind of rejected. So similar area. Yeah, we have PMI at 945, so that should do something. Should do something. Likely this thing closes below before open here, and then I'm just not going to take it if it does. We'll just wait. You're still in disbelief how these props can pay out on Sims. I know people buying accounts and activations fee add up. Unable to relieve me of this doubt. Isaiah, I mean, it's pretty simple math. If you look at the total number of accounts sold, you can just do the math, 90% sell, versus the number of monies paid out. I mean, it's just math. That's it. That doesn't include activation fees, like you said. That shows them making monies. They making monies. Good morning, Mr. Crooner. Good morning. Anybody joining me at the Georgia baseball game today? Probably not. I don't think there's too many of you guys in Georgia. There's a few of you. Maybe you don't have the love for the Georgia that I do. The love for the Georgia. You will not be there. I like it. Topstep's not bad, difficult to pass, Anna. You just have to actually trade it for the most part, right? I mean, you think of it in terms of like, you can still full send Topstep. You can still full send because you just have to sacrifice twice the number of accounts if you wanted to do it that way. So for 4 accounts, you're going to pass 1, basically. But, you know, Vera, I trade 27, and I go for 112 ticks, I think. So, yeah, I mean, I don't think passing it's that hard. All right, so we close below there. Goodness, man, I want to take this so bad. I don't want to start the day with a loss, though, but Looks like that's what might happen. Somebody asked Tom about his Instagram. He said he's only following hot chicks there. Classic Tom. I don't know. This is a horrible entry. I mean, I'm freaking 6 points lower than I should be. Get back below this wick. I'm going to go ahead and go break even. I don't want to hold this during open. I was hoping that it would push on down before open here. So I think we trade into the 606 area. Probably just get stopped break even, but expand. Expand. I'm just going to take the 5 points there. Coming into open. Don't want to be too aggressive here. Yeah, that's what I said, Gabriel. President Carter being the best thing Georgia ever did. Yeah, and I get it as a you're shorting too stoic. You're gonna be cheering for USC. That's okay. What's up, Slade? You live in Auburn? I've been to Auburn quite a few times. I like Auburn. Been to a couple of concerts there, football game. You'll tell her? You're not giving today to anyone. Click the top name here to the left. Add me, channel, subscribe. Oh, okay. All right, so Nas Scalper G Trades up there. Guys, if you want to hit his channel and subscribe, then check him out after I get done streaming there. Yeah, JM, you got data lows down here. You really do. I mean, like, we could run down to there, and I would normally try to at least hold this. Like, this is normally where I would be trying to take profit, is maybe like 597, that 600 level. But, you know. Probably just going to run through there without me now. I just didn't want to be too aggressive with it this morning. I was like, take a little quick win. I'm not sure, Husk. As far as I know, I'm just not trading it right now. I'm just going to stick to my other accounts for now. And there's my target. Before the market opens, look at that call out, guys. Look at that call out. Who's doing it like methodical? He didn't take it. But I didn't take it for the 18 points. We took it for the 4.5. 4.75. So you kind of want to watch this 595 area. I think Tom went long there. I'm not quite sure why. Design market only goes up. Makes sense. All right, here we go. We got, are we on the Bulenox? Let's switch over to the Bulenox account so we can watch this opening trade. This 929 candle is kind of, the best trades usually happen when the 929 candle kind of is smaller like this. I like that, but. All right, got about 20 seconds here. Let's see what happens. You didn't trade one contract? Yeah, it makes sense. Kayla, what's up? You didn't take it either? Yeah. I agree, Cart. Risky going into the open. All right, 10 seconds. See if we get a quick death or a quick winner. I'd rather a quick winner. All right, we're in there. We're going to be tagged in. Do we prefer long or short? I don't guess it matters as long as it's a winner, right? I don't love that open, to be honest. Usually the trades are best when it's like straight through there. right, tagged in long here. We'll go to break even once we hit 1750. Come on, rip it through there. Come on. No. No. Oh, well. Just knocked me out there for $200. Dirty girl. Almost got the 5. Almost. Read about Donald Trump? No, not really. What happened? Oh, yeah, it's always a very tight stop cart. Opening trade, 5 points. Because the idea is it goes or it doesn't. That's the idea. Goes or it doesn't. Got the 200 down here. I mean, looking like we're going to pull back into the open here, fill this gap. 561. Do have news at 9:45 to keep in mind, but 635. 635 on the up. Maybe. Let's get my 30-second chart up here. That was a very mild open. Very, very mild. Yeah, it was. A whole lot of May. Nordmark, what's up? Yes. Hold me. Whole bunch of issues. Tony likes mild opens. Okay, Tony. Flaccid open, says Alan. Caleb took a long. Yeah, I think they'll fix it. I think they just announced in Discord that they're going to fix it. Yeah, 595 made sense, right? I think it still goes lower. I think we run through the 570s quickly here, but and we lose the 200, I may take a scalp through there. Just a quick scalp for a VWAP touch here. Another little 5-point winner there. I think we pushed down into the open. I just didn't like my entry there. I like it okay for it's okay for a scalp, right? But it's not a great entry at all. Just a little VWAP scalp. I think we pushed down through the open here. ES has not ran the data low yet. Still got a little ways to go. So I actually think that 485 is probably in play. Probably will take the elevator if we lose the VWAP. VWAP bounce? Yeah, he could have took the long ski. Yes, they did extend the sell again, yes. More than 200 funded traders blown their accounts. Uh-oh, maybe. Apex taking payments for lifetime. Yeah. Lifetime activation, basically you just pay the 140 or whatever it is. Yeah, you could take quick VWAP bounce here, maybe for like 8 to 10 points. The only problem I see is you do have the 200 resting here, so like a little bounce between the two is fine. So If we get through here, I don't really see anything holding us up. I mean, like, this is just trend line liquidity here. There's not really anything in here that's going to hold us up. So if we can lose the VWAP here, get through that open price, midnight open, then I think we move quickly down, but we'll see what happens. I think the draw is lower, in my opinion, for today so far. The market's done what we thought it would do. Like, as soon as I logged on this morning, I expected a reprice of this 1 hour gap. We got it. Maybe a little deeper than we expected, but we got the repricing to this gap. So like I said, if we lose the VWAP and we lose the open, we sell down. If we reclaim this area, we may be straight back up to the 680s. We'll see. Like I said, we're going to be patient today. There's no need to be like overly aggressive for any reason. They're taking monthly payments for a lifetime fee. I'm not sure, Trader J. How does that work? What do you mean? Close your eyes. What do we do, Gabriel? Do we short? Oh, you went long. Predator, good morning. Normally, I probably... No, I wouldn't take this long. I don't know. I still think the draw is lower. We could still rip higher here, but... Need 608 for 2 past. You got it. Hello, Methodical. How can Rhythmic get to work on NinjaTrader for Topstep? In Brown, same way you do it on anything else. You just log on. You just log on, use your login credentials, and you're good. That's all. Nice job, Entropy. That was very clean VWAP bounce. Nice job. Nice job. Hey, you have a good weekend too, Gunja. I mean, we could have taken the long here, but I don't know. I kind of still feel like the draw's lower, so that's why I didn't participate in this long. Just because we left the data low here. I don't know. We do also have news at 9:45. Let's not forget 9:45. You didn't get the wick that you wanted, so you didn't take it either? Yeah. Greetings, Spy Girl. How's it going? Yeah, Slade, I have the advanced features, so I guess it comes along with the advanced features there. Warning something new, does it? I'll check that out in a minute. Go to the signatures. Signatures. We have a 1 minute short here too, Joey. To set up your account, please follow the guidelines. If you're interested in a lifetime, please begin by signing the lifetime contract and completing your payment. Yeah, I don't know. That's confusing. I don't know what they're talking about there, Trader J. Doesn't make any sense. Nice job, Joaquin. Good morning. Ripping out of there. I mean, and again, if this thing just tells us, if it just shows no willingness to go lower, then we just change the way we think about it, right? We get above the 1 hour here and we push, then we'll just change our bias there. That's all we got to do. Go, go, go. If you're long, let it go. Bulenox 90% off sale does end today, guys. They also have 80% off the option 2 account that ends today. MM1 is the code for the option 2. It's $27. And 90% off the option 1 account ends tonight at midnight. MM is the code for that. If you want to support the channel, it's got to be capital M, capital M. Then we just close our eyes and buy. If only. If only. Nice buy if you took that VWAP bounce right there. If you took that VWAP bounce, design says only goes up till it goes down. Design only goes up till it goes down. Yeah, she got to go PMI. Yeah, 4 minutes. We'll wait for the news. Down is just a fake up. It could be. It could be. Yeah, ES is looking much stronger here. 72 is the line in the sand on the VWAP there, or on the ES. If we don't base above 72, then yes, Gabriel. Yes, you are welcome. I don't remember who it was. It was probably somebody. No, Normock. No Apex accounts for me, man. We're waiting. We're going to wait. Good morning, Frazier. You invert your screen. Always goes up. Nice job, Stoic. Is 80% or 90% off a lifetime, all account sizes and every month afterwards. Yeah, so the 90% off renews at 90%. So it's lifetime. It's for option 1 account only. And it's not all account sizes. I'll have to bring the coupons up for you. But the 80% off, I'm not 100% sure if it renews at 80% or not. Somebody will have to tell me. Well, let's see here. Do we continue to push? We've got about 2 minutes here until the news. Okay, appreciate you, Anna. We got 1 minute till the news here. Let's see what happens. Less than a minute. Do we go to the moon or no? Targeting 680. That'd be nice. Yeah, the 90% is the lifetime. All right, here we go. Push it down. Let's see. Strange, the news is mild-ish. Bouncing off the 200 there. $9.46, so. Slade, I'm doing inversions. You'll see me trade some inversions there. I'm just not 100% sure what I'm doing yet, so today. Nice little easy read there. Just a little easy read. Oh, that sucks, Entropy. Nice little easy read. So, like right here, yeah, that was mild news, but I think it's going to be one of those slow push downs. We inversed this gap here that we marked out earlier. So once we closed below and we retested and held, then I was feeling okay about taking a short into this. I mean, I think like I said, I think we make it to the open. This is just a little manipulation leg higher for the shorts. So I think we make it to the open, which, you know, we typically get some resistance there. That's why I haven't marked out the midnight open there. So did take that short on Bulenox as well. So we got our $200 loser back from the opening range trade. And we're currently up $420. 420! 420! Blaze it! On the 30K static funded account for My Funded Futures. Took that risky short. Let's go, Joey. I think you got a lot more in this, Joey. I really do. But we'll see. Right now, we do have an SMT with EES. Right now. We'll see if it holds. I don't really think it will. I don't think it'll hold. Bro, market only goes up. 10 mini short, Aaron. Woof. Putting the boys on the table. Do I always hedge news? No. Thanks, Predator. No, I don't always hedge news. The way I normally play news cart is I look for support and resistance, and I park a long above and a short below. So, for example, if we were looking at this area, you know, we're kind of bouncing here. So I would normally, like if I was playing a news play, I'd just park a short down here, like especially if it's like big news where we're going to get a 100-point move and we're only looking for 30. Then I just park a short there and a long here. And if this one gets tagged in, I cancel that one. That's all I do. But on days where you want to make sure that you get the pass, then I just hedge. So like this morning, because of the rhythmic issues and stuff, I entered my trade 3 minutes before the news even came out. I entered my trade 3 minutes. And yeah, I thought that maybe by doing that, I would not have as many issues, but it was not the case. So, but yeah, I usually just go support and resistance type deal. Plus 900, Sue. Let's go. That's awesome. There's more in this short, guys. There's more in this short. But do we need to push it? We're 3 for 3. We're up $420. The special number, $420. Blaze it. No need to push it. Pips, how do you hedge? Well, you hit the long button on 3, and you hit the short button on 3 at the same time. So all I do is this right here. I got 2 charts up. Long. Short. Boom, just like that. And I just copy trade them. So 3 on this tab, 3 on this tab, copy trade them, 3 go long, 3 go short. Guarantees for the most part, you should at least pass 3, right? You should. Chicago deep dish. Matt is trading Apex today. We had a bunch of issues this morning, Tony, where if you rewind back to the beginning of the stream, you'll see like just placing ghost orders left and right. Wouldn't exit me out of trades. So at that point, we recognized the issue and we just, you know. So we sent 3 one way, 3 the other. And you can see we failed those 3. And I don't know what's going on with that one. Failed. So it should have been pass 3, fail 3. That's the expected result, but we didn't get that. Guys, if you're still short, don't be afraid of this bounce here. Like, I'm just taking the low-hanging fruit, right, today. Low-hanging fruit. But I don't want to guarantee it, but this 485 is in danger. Actually, you know what? We can guarantee it. I'm going to show you how. There we go. There's the Tom Sabo guarantee down there. Or he starts his OnlyFans. Where's Tom at? Is Tom still alive? Is Tom's in is he in a long? That's the 3rd time he's long. Why is he longing? Yes, Pips, you can hedge your Bulenox. Tennessee Rob had to update the phone. Woke up to a fresh, yeah. Yeah, that's what they did. They reset everybody. Do I say extra points on the long side of the short side this morning? No, Card. I do exactly the same. So the hedge is hedged with its own hedge that's hedged. Oh. It does. The mystery box. Oh, Tom's flipping a coin. I mean, I wouldn't put this here if I didn't think it was going to hit this. I think 485 is a great target. And if you want to be longer term here, 393 below that is even in play, in my opinion, today. In my opinion. If you do the same, then how do you make money? Because they're not both no cart, because like you're sacrificing 3 to pass 3. This is in the eval stage only that we're talking about. So I'm sending 3 evals long, 3 evals short, and 3 are going to fail. 3 are going to blow. So you're sacrificing 3 to pass 3. That's all I mean. Now, if I'm not hedging them and I'm placing above and below, then I do cancel the other one. So, nice job, Bassett. Let's go. Oh. Tom looking dejected over there after his 3 long losers. Why is he taking longs? Like, this is the only long that made sense to me. Bounce off the VWAP. But I don't know. 5% on port since open. Maybe you should call it a day. Let's go, Caleb. Go gamble. No go gamble today, Naz. How do you sign in multiple rhythmic accounts? Matt, you got to have the advanced features, and then you just sign in. Let's go, Relic. Got to get the advanced features. So, multiple connections, though, they just get the advanced. You don't need anything more than the advanced, but you can see I'm connected to a bunch. Everybody let's long so Tom can start OnlyFans. You keep killing your gains when you overtrade. Yeah, let's not do that, Caleb. Let's put it away. You make your target, put it away. Tom doesn't believe. Tom doesn't believe we're going to the 485s. Tom doesn't believe. Tom's not a believer in the 485. Ballpark pretzels, chili dogs, and sodas. Let's go. Tom is not a believer. That's probably what I'll have today, only trades. I don't know about the chili dogs. Now, we're going to be at the ball field all day, so from like a 11, no, I'm going to get there at like noon. We'll leave the first game at like 4, and then we'll be back at 7. So, all right, Naz. Naz is live. He's holding up a piece of paper. Naz, put that paper down. So check out Naz, guys. Go over there and give him a quick follow. Naz Scalper G Trades. Give him a quick follow. Help him out. We'll pin Naz in the description here or in the chat. We pin him into the chat there. Ballpark for college, yeah. It's going to be a Foley Field, Athens, Georgia. Foley Field, Athens, Georgia. 435 is in play design. Uh-oh. Design's calling out 435. You know the market is dumping. The market is dumping. Sitting on your hands even though you want to trade so bad. No point since you're well beyond the 6,600. Yeah, Isaiah, I mean, you could always pick up another eval or something like that, but again, guys, today is the last day for the Bulenox 90% off sale. There is a decent chance they might extend it. I haven't heard any word on that yet, but there is a decent chance that might happen. I think My Funded Futures announced their June sale is 30% off the expert accounts, or maybe it's 20%. I think it's 20%. So, why is it dumping? Stats are good. No, well, it doesn't matter, MK. Doesn't matter if the news is good or bad. Market does what the market does, right? If it was that easy where you'd be like, oh, the news is good, it's going to go up, everybody be rich. We'd all be rich. It's not that easy. Celebrity Tom Sabo's in the house. He came in to just solidify the 485 level with the Tom Sabo guarantee. Tom Sabo doesn't believe. He says, oh, this is not a structure shift. It's not going down. He doesn't believe me. This is going down, Tom. This is going down. Take the paper away. Yeah. I told him the same thing. All right, here comes the elevator. Here comes the elevator. How does Tom not believe me? How does Tom not believe me? Don't ever doubt the methodical man or the Tom Sabo guarantee. We do have the previous day low down there too, though. 502s, looks like. Almost time to go long. Housekeeping on speed dial. The sheets have been delivered. New mattresses awaiting. The beds are being crapped. Is $19 250K Apex? Yes. It's going on through the 4th. June 4th, the extent of the sale. Are you not a believer, Tom? Are you not a believer? Yes, sir, Levy. Yes, sir. Good morning. We're not in it, so it's easy to call. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. All right, see if we can pass this Topstep X right quick. Just need to push to the lows here, and we'll pass this one, I think. Come on. Stops at break even quickly here because we're kind of chasing. Come on. You can do it. I don't even know exactly what we need. I think we need like $300, maybe a little bit more, but $200 from there. Yeah, that should do it if we get it. No. Oh, it's going to get me. Or is it not? What's it going to do? Oh, we need 365 is what we need. Beware of the dreaded V. Yeah. Turn on the elevator to go up. Do I just go sell 2 again? We need 370. Does this gap hold? It's got to hold, right? It's got to hold. Yeah, you have until the rebuild to pass, Isaiah, but if you want the $85 activation fee, you got to get that done by the middle of the month. So, I don't know, Tony T. I don't know. I guess to kind of make sure that if they have any problems, I guess it's on them at that point, maybe. 1 minute long if it inverses. I mean, maybe, but to me the draw is lower, so I'm not taking anything other than shorts. But could I be wrong? Sure, I could be wrong. Nothing wrong with being wrong every now and then, right? We did kind of bounce off yesterday's previous day low. How do I activate the live chat? Naz, you have to do it before you start streaming. Once you're streaming, it's locked in. You can't do it. So you'd have to end the stream and then restart it to do the live chat. I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you in a moment. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take it here, I think. Maybe. No. I'm thinking this gap holds because the ES is at the VWAP there. So as long as the ES holds below the VWAP, maybe this goes down. Again, this is just me kind of jumping in here. This is not like a trade model or anything like that on an eval. So keep that in mind. Yeah, might get wrecked here. We might get wrecked. Where are the ribbing issues? Yes. I think so different from what I understand they are. If I make a new high here, a new swing, I'll probably get out. Did it just thunder? I took it too early. Yeah, maybe. Oh, now we need 1,000. You know what that means? Size up. That's what it means. Size up. Oh. I don't know. You're taking the long here? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, no problem, different trader. The Alabama softball game tonight. Let's see here. Yeah, it's I didn't watch it, but I heard about it. Limit order canceled. I don't know what that means. Oh, you're going to play baseball next semester? Oh, let's go. Hey, just woke up, Derpy. Not much. We're all green. Joey, I don't know if like the Tom's the long seems okay, but seems okay. No, I think he went. I think he went. He's not live anymore for a moment there. I don't think he's live there for a moment. No entries for you. You're out. All right, appreciate you. I don't know, Derpy. Interesting spot here. I don't know. It feels to me like we just sell down here. If we get through the 500s there strong, then, like I said, 85 kind of makes sense. We're just not doing it yet. Want to see it take out that low down there, that wick down there at the 04s, 03s. Get through there quickly. We get through the 03s, we push into that 90 area fast. In my opinion. It's only my opinion. But we'll see what happens. Logical edits. Love the streams, tuning in every day. Oh, it's all good. We appreciate you being here. Shan Mugen, how many PI accounts allowed on Bulenox? 11. Harmonic ends. There is SI trending right now off 670. I don't know what that means. See if we can get through the 10s here. I think we get through the 10s, we go down quickly here. Let's see. Through the 10s there, I think we can move through the lows now quickly. If you're wondering if I'm in, I am indeed in. We're in. We are in. Am I targeting the Tom Sabo guarantee? I am targeting the Tom Sabo guarantee. Logging in 20 points. All right, we'll take it. We were targeting the Tom Sabo guarantee. This is a trailing account. I expect to bounce back into the 510s. So I didn't want to hold it for that. You know, if it goes, it goes. I'm locking in my 20 points there on a mini. Sneaky, sneaky. We were sneaky. Listen, we've been calling out that level, so if you don't know, you don't know. We said we're not taking longs. If you don't know, you don't know. We said the whole time we're not taking longs. We're not taking longs. Not doing it. Got in a little later than I wanted to there. He's confused. Guarantee hit. She crapped the bed. No OnlyFans. A lot of disappointed people. Mission bonus. You along here for fun? I don't know, man. I'm thinking 393 is in play here. Relative equal lows on the 4 hour. Oh, that wasn't funny. Oh, you were long here? Oh, yeah, that's not funny. Yeah, flip zone. It is, but like you expect to push back up. So I'm not saying we're going down direct, but you know. only goes lower. You're not touching longs. Yeah. Oh, Bulenox for 50K ended the account, but it didn't work. Did you do MM1? Capital M1? Let me pull up the codes for you right now. It should be this one. Capital M1 for the 50K end of day. Nah, Cart. I don't normally do that. The thing is like, well, you got to understand, Cart. Normally I show every one of my trades on stream, but I'm not always going to show you every single entry that I take, but I do show it. You know, I let you guys know. Like, I mean, I said, hey, we're going to here. I'm not taking longs, right? I said I'm not taking longs. So I try to show you guys everything, but it is what it is. Sometimes we got to pull the Patrick Whelan on you. You know what I mean? Sometimes we got to be like, boom, I'm up 20 points, taking profit. Ha ha. Sometimes we got to do that. I know. You got 20 points. Let's go. Yeah, I stopped out at 420 over here on this one direct. I was like, 420? Close it down for the day. That's the magical number. Let's go. Oh. I'm telling you guys, 393 is in play here. You got relative equal lows on the 4 hour. They're off by 3 ticks. I mean, like, it seems unreasonable, but like, dude, this is completely in play. And the short was here. I mean, look at our entry up here at 590. Our 590 short there. That was the short this morning. If I was a good trader, I would have got short up here at the 590 and held for the 390s. 200 points. What did you mark by 6110? Right here. This is a fair value gap, a 1 hour fair value gap. So if we go to the 1 hour, we pushed deeper into that gap than I expected us to. Like pre-market, I looked at this and I said we need to reprice this gap. And if we hold below it, which we did, then we're going to be bearish on today. If we close above it, which we didn't, I was going to look for higher highs today, higher prices. But so we held it, and then we sold off. It's pretty easy read. Then you look at the 4 hour and you see the equal lows down at 393, and that's kind of like, you know, let's expect us to go there. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. ES is at a support level here. This level's called out by Mancini today. If 38 cannot hold, he says we sell down to 17. So if 38, this is a must-hold level. This is a fast reaction area for the bulls. If the bulls don't hold 38 here, we waterfall. We take the elevator even deeper, even lower. That area has been tested 4 times overnight, right? 1, 2, 3, maybe like 5 or 6 times in the last 24 hours. So probably a little weaker now. But we'll see if it holds. Dollar was down and NQ still dumped. Yeah, that's why I don't watch the dollar all that much. Sometimes it's kind of like, you know, you got to learn to read his cues. When MM touches the left side of his cap, yeah, that's right. I'm short. Nice job, Derpy. Up 2K. NVIDIA down 0.35%. Yeah, I'm not touching the dirty girl. We're gonna have to break some sort of like key inversion to the upside. A 3 minute, a 2 minute, something like that. ES still holding up there at the 38s. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We're going to be ending the stream early today once again because, like I said, I'm headed out to the Georgia baseball game. Super regional action this weekend, hosted here in Athens. So, headed out to the Georgia baseball game. Good luck, Jamie. I hope you get it if it does trigger. So if I looked at a higher time frame here, let's say I looked at the 3 minute. That's kind of what I would be looking at if I'm looking for a long, like this here. So if this inversed, then, and like I said, you're going to always have retracements, right? You're not going to go down direct typically. But if we closed above this, I think it's reasonable to think that we make it back to the 48s. So about a 30-point move, 20-point stop. That's a big stop. Something like that. But in reality, I'd fib this up this green candle, and then maybe we push kind of up to the mean threshold here or whatever, this pivot point, reject, continue down. We could just head straight down. Who knows? This will be one of these days at the end of it, I'll look back and say, man, I should have just held this short, right? But that's how it goes. Almost 3K. Let's go. Let's go. Poor profile still 300s. Yeah. Beware of the V design. Yeah, it could happen. I mean, like it could. I don't expect it. I'm not taking any more trades, guys. I'm telling you now. I mean, we're up 420 on one funded. We're up 585 on another funded. And we got this specialty one from Apex today, 470. So sitting up about, I don't know, 8, 9, $1,400, almost $1,500 on 3 fundeds. Good for me. No need to press more buttons when that happens. And obviously we took that loss on the that eval there, but not really concerned with that. Yeah, that's the thing, Jamie. The same thing I think of too. Like I like that it keeps me out of them. Top is technically 600. Yeah, it kind of makes sense, right? Here we go, guys. I mean, look at this thing just go. Anybody still in the short? Nice job, Sue. Thanks, Dennis. Well, Captain, like you never know what's going to happen, right? You never know. I don't really see anything holding us up here. There's a small gap here at this area that we're in on the higher time frame, but I think we make it through there fast. Took 440, puts it open, closed for plus 218%. Let's go. You're in a short trading one by one quickly. Nice, Lizelle. He could go all the way. QQQ just enter volumes. Just hit 53K on the eval. Let's go. You're 300 away from payout. Nice job, Dirt. I could be aggressive on some evals here, but I don't think there's a point in it. Oh, don't get greedy, Derpy. It only takes one misstep. Let's go, Lavender. Past the 250K. Today was to be a day to pass one of those. Like, this is a trend day. Let's look at the 2 minute. I don't know if Ash is in here. I don't know if you guys are familiar with what Ash talks about. I think Black Beauty talks about it too. Like, if you take an entry, say you shorted here for the pushback up to the VWAP on ES, and then once you get into the green here, you just follow your 2 minute candle down. Just follow the back of the 2 minute candle. And you see here, you're never stopped out on this move down. Never stopped out. Your stop is now at the bottom of this candle. And you just follow it. You just trail the 2 minute candle the whole way down. And you're never stopped out. I mean, look at that. It's kind of interesting when you look at trend days like this. Like, this is a pretty good trend down. Now, obviously, if you got short here, you wouldn't start moving your stop until this candle. So your stop would be here, stop would be here, stop would be here, stop would be here, here. So you would have been stopped out here. And then you could have re-entered. So that little 2 minute trail seems to work pretty good. Logical up 3K. Let's go. Yeah, that's the problem, Anna, right? You don't know which day is going to be a trend day. Not that today may not be a trend day. Oh. Are we longing 420, Gabriel, or is that your target? Oh, I got to flip my account. I got to flip my Bulenox accounts. Let me go over to the... Let's get over to the micros. $36. Got to flip my Bulenox accounts. All right, we took a little W there on the Buleys. Let's flip them. What's up, Elito? Good morning, Joey. Once you hit 53K on Topstep, just wait. Yes, and low. You're so close to passing 3 miles, but you're up so much at the gifts. You keep going. It's up to you, Logical. If you find a spot, then take it. Guys, I'm telling you, 383's on deck here. This thing is just going. Feels bad that I didn't make more on it, but like at the same time, it doesn't, right? Some days you just take what you can get, and that's it. All longs? Wow, Alito. All right, let me check my Buleys and make sure. Made $5 on the Bewley, so we got it back above the threshold. Look at this. This is one of those days where you could have just chased this the whole way down. I mean, this is just such an easy day of trading right here. I wish I would have made more. I mean, this should have been like a couple $1,000 day. Really should have. But I'm happy with what I got. I'm happy. Let's go, Isaiah. Nice job. Isaiah, I thought you weren't taking any trades today. That is funny, Alito. I can't believe that. Well, I mean, I guess could have took along here. A little long ski here, maybe. A couple of them. Well, I didn't move my stop loss. I think I took logical trades. I mean, like this one here, you could say like, oh, you just took a scalp. Well, you have no way of knowing right here that this is going to here. Now, once we get through the VWAP there and we get through that midnight open, then that's kind of your sign like, okay, we're probably going to the 485s. Then beyond that, you don't really know. Anything beyond that's extra. So can we hit the 393s? Oh. Signed, sealed, delivered. There we go. That's it, guys. I'm going to end it on that. There's no point in doing anything else. No point in looking at anything. If you guys haven't yet, hit the like button for me. Subscribe. Have a great weekend. If you want to support the channel, 90% off Bulenox Insta Night. 90% off Apex through June 4th. If you want to support the channel, pick up some accounts. Got the link to the Discord down in the description. It's $10 a month. Basically free, let's be honest. Go Dogs, Dennis. Go Dogs. Scored, PA funded. Let's go. But I appreciate you guys watching. Sorry for the short stream today, but again, we're going to the Dogs game. Got a few things to do before I go. No point in looking at the charts anymore. Targets acquired. And let's just walk away. Have a good weekend.